Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This printer is Canon Pixma TS6550i. I want to show you how to connect this printer with a USB cable. This printer is currently connected to Wi-Fi network. If you look on the printer, you see that the Wi-Fi reception is on. What we want to do is we're going to disable the Wi-Fi network and connect the printer with a USB cable. So scroll down and go to the settings, select OK to the settings. Then it will show you LAN settings. Select OK to LAN settings. It will show you Wi-Fi. Select on the Wi-Fi, select OK. It will show you show setting information. Scroll down to advanced settings. Use down button to select advanced settings. Select OK. It will show you enable or disable. So it's currently enabled. So scroll down to disable. Select OK to disable. Please wait momentarily. It's in the process. So the Wi-Fi is disabled. Go back to the menu. The Wi-Fi is cancelled. The reception is no longer available. So the Wi-Fi is cancelled. Now, to connect the printer to your laptop with a USB cable. So take the USB cable, this part of the cable, go to the back of the printer and connect it to this port. Push it in. Then take the other end of the cable, connect it to the laptop. And you will hear a tune to show you there is a connection. The next thing to do is select laptop start, select settings, select printers and scanners. Then you need to add a device. Look for Canon TS6550i series. Select on it. The printer is showing us idle. Print test page. It will show you have correctly installed your Canon print on laptop. So this is a window printer test page. And from this, if you want to scan document, you select scanner settings, then open scanner. Go on the left side, then scroll down to select the printer. Canon TS6550i series, select on it. Then put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner. Stick the document you want to scan face down. Close the cover. Then you select type, file type as PNG or select PDF if you like. Show more. Resolution 300 dpi. We want to save the file in document. Then you select scan. To see the document, then you select view. To view the file, this is the document we scanned. To print it out, you select Ctrl P. Then go on the left side, select correct printer, Canon TS6550 series, TS6500 series. Select number of copies, then scroll down, print on one side, select more settings, select A4, fit to page, then select print. This is the document we scanned and printed it out. Another way to add the printer with laptop and USB. Select laptop start, then type Canon IGA setup. Canon IGA setup. Select Canon IGA setup. Then select Canon official manual. Then select setup. Then scroll down to select the printer details, Pixma TS6550i. Select on it, it will show you the printer. Then you select Start. Then set up a new printer. Then the next thing to do is you need to select Download. Then install Canon Print app to your computer. Open Canon Print app. It will show you that the printer is online, but also you can select plus to add a printer, then select add a printer. They will start to check the latest information downloading. Select yes, it's processing. Then search for the printer. So printer detection, so it's now searching for the printer. Then select USB connection. Click next. Printer connection. Connect the printer and computer using a USB cable. Check that the printer is on. Successful connection. So it's now downloading the software. It's now downloading the software and driver. Checking printer status. Please wait. Installing MP driver processing. The printer is being registered to your computer. Connection setting complete. Then select next. Setup complete. Print test page. Window printer test page. You have correctly installed your Canon printer on the laptop. It will also show you port name USB 097 data raw. So this is to show you that the printer is connected. Then you select next. Close this. Would you like to pin Canon print to your desktop? No, thank you. So this is the printer, and we printed the test page. If you want to print document, then select document print. Select document print. Select the document you want to print out. Then select the document. Click open file. Then select the document you want to print it on two-sided, long edge, the size A4 plain paper. Then select print. So the document is printing. This is the document printed out. If you want to scan document, you can select scan as well. Select scan. Then you put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner. Face down. Close the cover. Then select scan. So the document is scanning. This is the document we scanned. If you want to scan the next page, you can scan this document again. Select next scan to scan the next page. Then select scan. If you want to save the document, then you select save. Then it will take you to documents or your file. You can save it in document or download or OneDrive. Then put the document as PDF. You can type the document and then select save. So the file is now saved. You can print it out just like we did. So this is how to connect this printer with a USB cable, scan document, and also print document and save. Thank you very much indeed.